Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you make the most of Excel with our easy-to-follow video tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily change the decimal and thousands separators, should you need to. Let's get started. To change the decimal or thousands separator in Excel, click on the File option in the menu at the top of the screen. Then, access the options, located at the bottom left of the page. We need to find the Use System Separators section on the open window and click on Advanced in the top navigation. From there, scroll down to the Editing Options section, where you will find the Use System Separators option. In this section, you can choose the separators you want to use. We are going to switch the symbol used for a decimal point from a period to a comma. So let's replace the period with a comma. We will separate the thousands in our numbers by adding a period between them, just like we have done before. To confirm, let's click OK, and that will complete the process of changing the separators as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch more video tutorials from Sheet Leveler. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.